today's playing with me, I am going to be doing the mid-century circles, like Erin Condren theme. They kind of do like a kind of create Erin Condren theme every other week. This week's not too busy, not too crazy, so we'll just get started with the washing and start putting stuff down like I normally do. So nothing too crazy going on this week. Just actually, I'll be a homework. We got school test this week. Nothing much else. Let's get this up so you guys. Yep, there you go. You guys can see now. So that's really all. And then I've got this new X-Acto knife that works well to kind of get it all too. So we'll see. I'm gonna be very precise because last time. Looks pretty straight. It was off a little bit, but not much, and that works better than what I normally would do, so that's all I can ask for. Okay. But nothing too crazy this week at all. Line up. It's having a hard time. Looks perfect. Okay, and then I just need to cut the little bitty strip here. If I can do it straight, you guys can see. There we go. You almost kind of have to use like a pencil, like just cut it, like, yeah, use a tip, or if you're gonna do it freehand, you gotta do it that way too. But I think I cut a little too sharp because I cut through, which I can just put a sticker there and it won't matter. But for now, I will just probably put this there so it like cuts it so it doesn't. I will not make it so bad. I went a little too harsh, I guess, but it was straight though. Perfect. Okay. Now let's do the top of this. And I like to align it like basically from here and try to cut that black line off and stuff like that. So that works. And then we're just gonna lightly cut. If I can try, we'll see how well this goes. It's not straight, but it'll work. I don't have to be perfect because I'm not very good at never been good at cutting, but we'll do this side. I do a lot of my putting down stickers and stuff upside down because I don't know, it just works better, I guess. For me, it does. And I can tell it's not super straight, so we're gonna, that's a lot better. Oh, there we go. Okay. Then I'm gonna cut this, and we're gonna not try to cut through the paper. Did I cut through the paper? No, you gotta be done. I think that one I was really hard though, and I could tell it was like super hard. So I'm gonna put this away for now because I shouldn't need it. Alright. Measure stuff down. So then next, let's do this sidebar, and I always we'll just do that, and then put to the side. So oops, sorry, my string, so I can see my stuff. I'm gonna look at this, and I gotta find a kit. Basically, I want a thinner strip that goes with it that I can kind of So let's see. I think I'm gonna do like purple or pink and pink on these days on Monday, blue and purple like here, and then green and more yellows and stuff like that. Kind of trying to stick with the washing at the bottom. And so I think I'm gonna go with, what color do I maybe like an orange or something over here, because I got an orange here and I think that would look good. I'm gonna go with, yep, we'll go with this. Alright, so there's that. Oops. Alright, let's take this back up. Sorry, my thing. Oh, and it's not sticking it down too well today. My thing decided to fall. So we're just working, what we were doing is working on the sidebar, so. All I need is, honestly, for a sidebar, all I need is the sticker to cover up the box. For me, a sidebar, I'll just need the sticker to cover up the sidebar, and this piece here for, like, it's a little off, but, like, you know, just a box to cover, and then something, and like this, and then I have to do, and, let's look, I know one of these, the mini one, and this Happy Planner book, there's many to-dos that fit pretty perfect on the thing. So I'm just gonna pick up that fit almost perfect on here. So we'll just go here and stick that down. As so. Let's get. Oh, I really could bring it up a bit just because it's clear, and so it probably would look a little bit better. So. That looks fine. Okay. So we'll do that, and then let's see what I want to do, because Monday and Tuesday. So Wednesday, I'm gonna put this sticker down, or this sticker down, if you can see it. Put this down here because it's payday, and so I'd like to put that up there. See if I can straighten it out. There, that works pretty well. Okay. Yep, that's. Is it straight or is it just me? I feel like it's me, or it's a cut weird. It doesn't look like it's cut weird. Could just be me that I'm not looking at it weird, but it looks, oh, that looks a lot better. Okay, so we'll do that. Then I'll put my payday down in a minute. Alright, let's see. Alright, let's go to budget and find a, what did I say was gonna be, today was like blue. So any, sorry, it's like gonna fall again. Alright, sorry about that. So let's look at it again. So let me fix this, because I'm still, my setup's not 100% yet, and then it's gonna change when I go back to school. So it's just trying to get that fixed and stuff like that, that makes it work for me, I guess. So, these days, okay, this is gonna be like, I'm gonna say this is like blue, and then this is more purple. So I'm gonna purple, this one will work perfectly, I think. I can get it off. Thing. I only like, oh, true, not like, okay. So then I will mark this, and I'll just put payday. I do love her new, like, these type of skirts are so good, so nice. Okay, so there's that, and then we're gonna go to putting down my work. And how I kind of been doing that this summer is I have a lot of what do you call them, scalloped labels, so I like to mark that. And so I think let's look at July. I work 1 to 6 on Monday, so Monday is pink. So we're trying to find a pink that kind of fits in the middle of you know, everything. So I think I'm gonna go with, we can go all the way back to the beginning. So I use those up first, but I think I'm gonna go with that. Go with it, or do I need it darker? Yep, we're gonna go with this one here for Monday. It's this pink, and I'm gonna put it at 1. And like that, like so. If I could straighten it out though. Okay. And then Tuesday is more of a blue. I'm gonna say more blue because I see more purple here. So we're gonna do we'll go with this. Well, actually, do you want this one or do you want like a blue-green? I think I'm gonna go with this. It doesn't really matter to me. And then I work 8 to 4 on Monday. On Tuesday, sorry, where am I? Okay. And then Wednesday, it says I work 3:45 to 6. Yes, Wednesday. Get that out of the way for now. And then this is more purple, so we'll just pick up the purple. So I put this pretty much right between 3 and 4. Just like it does cover up the 3, but it doesn't cover. It's like that. That works good. And then Thursday, Friday, I work 1 to 6. These are gonna be blue. Well, this is more of a. This is blue-green. This is green. This is yellow and orange. I think is how I'll do it. So this is more of a blue-green, and there's like one. I think I'll call this one like a blue-green. So I can just get it straight as possible. One to 6, and then this is more of a green. This green will be perfect. Perfect, and then I need a yellow, and so it's like yellow, and I work from 7:30 to 11. So there you go. There's this perfectly done. Okay. So there's that, and let's see, I've got other school plans too. I got on Monday, or Tuesday, or no, Wednesday, I'm taking my test because I don't have time here to take it. So, go to my school section, and I think I'm going to use, so Monday's like a, or Wednesday is like a purple, so just use this, and I'll put, I think I'll take it, I think I said, so I'll probably put it like here at noon, because that's about when I'll take my test, and I'll just write test inside there. Let's see, what else do I have going on? We have softball this weekend, and then we have a birthday on Wednesday, or Friday. So let's see. I know I have other stickers that would be perfect to write down my school stuff. I don't know, sometimes it's hard to figure out how I exactly want to do that, and that might be something I do on my own. I think what I'm going to do is we have from here to here. Let's see. What washi? Oh, that's not the right thing I need. Alright. I have to mark also softball this weekend, but I don't know how I want to mark that. So I have the thinner, not the too thick washi, because I don't know if that's what I want to do. And then I have the super thin washi. But since it's already blue, I think I want to use, I don't know if I want to use this or not even use this at all. I don't know. Let's see. Or if I want to do purple. Or if I want to do, I don't know if I have some of the paper tape, but I don't think, definitely not this one, but I don't know if this one would, I think I'm going to try this and see if this looks okay with it, and we'll go with it. And see what I can do. So I'm going to have to move the sticker for now and then re-put it down, but it's fine. So we'll just see what I think of this, and then, because I want to mark that they're not, well, I'm not going to go, but my family, softball, and so I want to mark that, but I think it doesn't look too bad. I think I'm going to go with it just because it's kind of colorful. And then I need my X-Acto knife again. Wherever I put that. There it is. Okay. Okay. So, we're just going to cut slice nicely. Okay. Here's this one. And you guys can probably see it's a little, didn't even cut it, so that's great. That work, it's a little off. I mean, I'm just trying to get better at it. That's one thing I want to work at, but it looks pretty straight to me. And then we have this, and over here, that's a booger. And then I'll use my thing. That will work a lot better, so having less in the way. Okay, there's that. Alright, that works very, very well. And then we'll go ahead and put this back right on top. Pretty much just, I'll probably put it right over it, but it's not, just because time-wise, that's about what it needs to be, and okay, there we go. And then here, this is a, let's do, yep, and then I'll get my sticker out of the back of the book. And we'll put this there, and then I'll just write like Oklahoma on here because I don't have to write the tournament. But for now, kind of when we have a bigger event, I do like to use washi to mark it, so they like no, and then I'll mark it like that and something like that. So I'll do that, and this is so not straight. Like it's almost annoying how not straight it is. Perfect. Okay, there's that. I don't have anything on Sunday. Nothing this weekend that I know of so far. So, let's see what we can do. I need staplers, and we are just going to go to town and use, so let's see. So, Monday, what would be my to-do list? It's pink, so it doesn't matter. But Monday, since, well, I have a shorter day, so I'm not going to be able to get as much done. When I work, like 1 to 6 or 3:45 to 6, I don't get as much done during the day. When I work 1 to 6, I can't get as much done because I have to, obviously be like at 1, so it doesn't get as much done. So I don't put as big a checklist to waste space and stuff that I'm not going to get done. Can't go, like I make a more realistic checklist, I guess. There's Monday. Tuesday, I'm not putting a checklist because I just don't see myself doing much. And then Wednesday, I'm going to put a small one. Just because I do have a test, and then I can do other homework. Because you have to take a test, but as well, you have to still do the homework that's also due on Monday. So you still have to, like, oh, I need to move this because I'll probably later have to write my homework down that I'm doing. So, and then Wednesday and Thursday, just do these two. It's hard. It's easier for me to do it upside down. That's kind of why I'm doing it this way, because it's so much easier to do it upside down for me with my planner and stuff to make it straight and so forth. And then the weekend, I'll do 2 big checklists and some huge ones because I'll probably be doing homework and stuff. So then Saturday's yellow and Sunday's orange. So I'll probably do orange and I don't know. I mean, I can do. They don't have a big no, we don't have big yellows. So we'll just flip-flop it kind of and do, because I don't think, Sunday I normally don't do as much homework. I kind of can just do my same checklist. We'll just do that like that. Oh, yeah, actually, I have to move this down to here to about when I'm done with work. I forgot about that. Okay. Okay, there's that. And then this will go here. Like so. And then I will put these back in my lovely thing. And then I don't know if I don't think I'm gonna do Simply Gilded washi, so I'll put my washi in later, just because I know that that's something that needs to get done, but I don't want to use Simply Gilded this week because the colors don't really go with it, and I have more pastel and like purples and stuff, so I want to use more solid rainbow colors, and I have washi that works for that. So let's just get out the right pen and pencil, and then I'm going to go ahead and fill stuff out that I knew of so far. So I'm going to, and I think I'll just write, okay, so let's just go in and write my work stuff. We'll just write work, and I will do the washi later and stuff, and then at the end I'll show you how last week went, and we'll kind of go from there. Work and work. Okay, so there's that. Nothing too exciting. And then I'm saying test 2 over 5, 7, 8, and 9. So test over 5, 7, 8, and 9. And that looks perfect. And then we're gonna write Oklahoma. Okay, making sure I spelled that right. And then we have Oklahoma is this weekend. So that's pretty much all that's going on this week. Let's look back and make sure I've got all this. Yeah, oh, one other thing. That would be not good to miss is I'm gonna do bigger ones, and since this is Friday is like green, so we're gonna stick with the green, and then I need to find, I think either let's see if I have any. I should have full boxes. So I'm looking in my for a full box I can kind of go with it. That's not too nuts, I guess. Let's do this. I think 'cause it's like a birthday. Kind of what I think is sprinkles and birthdays, so it kind of all goes together. And then, so Friday, I think I'll just kind of layer it because, or I think I'm gonna use, reverse that, because I think I'm just gonna use a quarter box, not a half box, because then it won't take up as much room, and it'll fit more better there, and it won't look so awkward. And I probably have one exactly like that, or something very similar that would work. So let's see. Okay guys, so this is my, week so far. Here's last week. Looks really good. And then this week so far, which I still have to do the washi, but I'll do that later. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It's very thrown together playing with me. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.